How you doing? My name is Tom with Kizen Enterprise. I just put on the Kizen mitre fence on a Hitachi C10FSH. It does not have sliding fences. It has a lift-off fence on the right, which I do not have on this old saw from 2004. Okay, the left side of the fence piece is broke. It's gone, but I'm using the factory fence to mount to drill new holes. So to do this install, I had to take this to be where I wanted, like 45 degrees, 46, where I'm not going to hit this fence, okay? And marked my holes, drilled them. It could be done on a drill press to get more accurate holes. Just mark your holes from the existing holes, drill. The right side, because of the way the motor runs, I had to skew the right fence over more because it would be hitting this jug right here. So when that happened, the extreme angle on the right side will need another shim fence attached to it before you do your extreme angles, if you use both sides of the fence for cutting them. But yes, it can be done on a fixed fence. Thanks for watching.